Let's do it.
Go.
Whoa!
What do you think?
This is amazing. Wow, guys. Wow.
What do you think?
It was 2:30 in the morning, I had my night vision goggles on. At the time in Baghdad, each EFP strike was 2 deaths, and people were just getting annihilated all over the place. It was just dust. I just hear the boom, dust. Took my legs instantly. People don't realize how clunky wheelchairs are, and houses aren't designed for them. The partnership between Tunnels to Towers and Home Depot is paramount. Getting a home that's built for me specifically, for my needs, is a pretty unbelievable opportunity.
I can just move around this house like nothing.
I know.
That's the best part about it. Oh man.
Top comes down.
I was planning on this home being a way to kind of close some wounds. I can do all the normal things that, husbands are supposed to do. I can put out the trash at my own house now, and I couldn't do that.
Wow. That's huge. Whoa. Look at this security system.
The Home Depot Foundation gave me the gift of security. They took the weight of a house off your shoulders, like taking care of your kids.
How do you like it? Yeah!
What they've done for me is unreal. This is a generational gift. I'm gonna be living here hopefully the rest of my life.